How to make broadcast channel on Instagram. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So first I'm going to show you guys how to create broadcast channel on Instagram, and then I'll show you guys if the option is not available, why that might be. Because not every single person has this option. So in order to actually create one, there's two ways to do this. One is when you're here on your profile, you can click on the plus icon and you have all of these options, and all the way at the bottom it should say channel. If that isn't the case, then what you can try and do is go to your DMs. Then on the top right corner where you can create a chat, it also should show at the top to create a channel. Now, like you can see on my account, I actually do not have it. Now, why is that? Well, there isn't actually a specific reason why that is. Instagram doesn't have specific eligibility requirements, but the number one reason for sure is that you need to be a creator account. So if I go to my settings and then to business tools and controls, I can actually switch the account type. So first of all, I'm actually not a personal, or I'm actually a business account right now. Someone on Reddit actually put this up. Now, whether to believe this or not is up to you, but he put out a couple of points. Instagram kind of like follows before they can actually give you such a feature. I actually have two accounts which are over 10k followers that do have the option, which I can show you in a bit. This is one of my accounts which has 60k followers. When I click on the plus icon, I actually do have the channel option right over here. Also right here on the top, I actually do have the same option as well, create a broadcast channel. And on my other account, as you can see, I as well have the channel option at the bottom and here as well. So unfortunately, there aren't specific requirements publicly known by Instagram why you may or may not be able to make a broadcast channel, but that is just all I can basically explain. I've explained where it is and why you may or may not see it. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.